In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Asana so you can track important information for each task. Custom fields are a powerful way to add structure to your projects, whether you're tracking priorities, estimates, statuses, budgets, or key dates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add them to a project and use them on individual tasks. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading to your workspace. Then open the specific project where you want to add custom fields. Everything we do will happen inside that project, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Look to the top right corner of the project and click Customize. This opens a panel on the right side with options to tailor how your project works. Scroll down until you see the Fields section. This is where you control which custom fields are available in the project. Click Add Field. A pop-up will appear with two choices. You can select an existing field that's already part of this project, which is great for consistency, or you can create a new one. If you're creating a new field, give it a clear, descriptive name and choose the field type. Text fields are great for short notes or links. Number fields work well for time estimates, budgets, or counts. Drop-downs are perfect for standardized options like priority levels or phases because they keep everyone using the same terms. Date fields let you capture a specific date that's distinct from the task's due date, like a review or launch date. Once you've chosen, click Add Field to confirm. As soon as you do, the custom field will appear as a column in your project view. You'll see it alongside your other columns, and it'll be available anywhere you view the project, whether you prefer list or board layouts. If you're collaborating with a team, everyone in the project will see the field, which helps ensure consistent data across tasks. To start using the field, open any task in the project. In the task details, find the custom field section and enter the value. Asana saves changes automatically, so you can quickly move from one task to the next. Keep your entries consistent, use the same units for numbers, stick to the drop-down options you defined, and keep text concise so it's easy to scan. Over time, this consistency makes your project more searchable and easier to report on. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.